How to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Now in the homepage, click on the message icon. It's on the upper right corner of the screen. In here, you will see a list of your conversation and the notes feature. On the upper right corner again, there is a pen or the right icon. Click on that and this will bring you to the composition page. On the top is the button to make a broadcast channel. Click on that and here tap on Get Started. From here, you can enter the name channel, choose an audience for your channel, choose when your channel ends, and choose to show your channel on your profile. And then after that, tap Create Broadcast Channel on the bottom of the screen. Now here, as an Instagram creator, you can create a broadcast channel to share messages like announcements, behind the scenes content and event details, or upcoming collaborations with your followers. So that is how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.